Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change a Ford F150 tire. First, ensure your truck is on a flat, stable surface, safely away from any moving vehicles. Always engage the parking brake firmly and place wheel chocks behind the tire diagonally opposite the one you're changing. This prevents any accidental rolling. Next, locate your spare tire, jack, and lug wrench, usually found under the truck or behind the rear seat. Now, with the truck still on the ground, use your lug wrench to loosen each lug nut on the flat tire by about 1/2 turn. Don't remove them completely yet. Next, carefully position the jack under the designated jacking point on the truck's frame, usually indicated in your owner's manual. Slowly raise the vehicle until the flat tire is completely clear of the ground, about 6 inches, allowing enough space to easily remove it. With the truck lifted, you can now fully remove all the lug nuts. Carefully pull the flat tire straight off the wheel studs and set it aside. Now, take your spare tire and align its holes with the wheel studs on the hub. Push the spare tire firmly onto the studs until it sits flush against the hub. Then, hand tighten each lug nut back onto its stud until they are all snug. Once the spare tire is hand tightened, slowly lower your Ford F150 completely back to the ground. After the truck is fully down, use your lug wrench to tighten all the lug nuts firmly in a star pattern. This ensures even pressure. Finally, double-check the spare tire's air pressure and remember to get your flat tire repaired or replaced as soon as possible. Drive safely.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.